What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Stupid Crypto here. Time to talk Luna Classic. A 3.9 billion token burn conducted by Binance today. Is this the beginning of another massive rally? And Luna Classic back to nearly the time where we were last year at the same price. Very interesting, and some further news that you guys definitely want to see. So make sure you smash the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. We're on our way to 20k by the end of the year. And if you're bullish on Luna Classic, as always, hit the like button so I know you enjoy this kind of content. And let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. So a lot of green, including Luna Classic, outperformed most of the market yesterday, as well as USTC as well. We'll drop that down, but $1.45 trillion market, 2.2% up. Now we are just seeing Bitcoin just hovering around that 38.6. We nearly broke 39,000 earlier on my live stream. We've just pulled back, ready for the weekend. Remember, we always say Saturdays tend to be slightly cooler than Sundays. So could we see a 40k Bitcoin by the end of the weekend? Quite possibly. But notably, as you come down the list, you'll notice a definite change in these cryptocurrencies. The 63rd highest ranked cryptocurrency right now is Terra Luna Classic, for 19% up on the day. 14.07 is the current price. This time last year we were about 14.1 and 119% up on that trading volume, which is obviously supporting the burn. Now we do know Binance will continue to support the burn. I'm going to talk about that in just a little bit, but our full diluted market cap around 959, our actual circulating market cap $816 million right now. So very good news, and we see a significant move. We obviously saw TFL inject $15 million worth of capital into the overall Terra ecosystem, which has absolutely kickstarted once again with the Luna Classic agenda, as well as Luna and USTC. And if we actually scroll down to the bottom here, you see Terra Luna as the 97th highest cryptocurrency, up 25% on the week, and USTC up 300% on the week in the 94th highest ranked cryptocurrency. So everything looking Luna Classic right now. But the big news of the day is Binance burnt a further 4 billion. 3.9 is the exact number. Here it is, 3.903522. And we'll take a look at that in a minute. But they did burn as expected. That now takes them to 43 billion Luna Classic burn, 52% of the tokens burn. And then if we add in the community burn on top of that, it is a significant chunk into the 83 billion coin mark. So it says crypto exchange Binance sent 3.9 billion Terra Luna Classic tokens to the burn address. As per the transaction on December 1st, Binance continues contributing to the community's Lunk burn campaign to reduce the Lunk circulating supply after the exit of Xiaopeng Zhao, the Binance CEO. So again, Richard Teng there coming in, supporting a narrative which we thought he would and will continue to do so. What's even further interesting is obviously the launch of the further trading pair. Now we do know December 15th BUSD will stop being traded over on Binance, but it says CoinGrape reported a massive jump in trading volume this week, resulting in this huge Lunk burn the community hasn't seen in the last few months. Binance launched a USTC perpetual contract and new USTC trading pair FDUSD and TRY, which contribute massively to the exchange's trading volume. Here's the question though right now: are we going to see the burns from those trading pairs, or the fees from those trading pairs support the narrative on the burn even further? Now, burns are not going to fix everything, but what they do is continually drive excitement and awareness of what's going on with Luna Classic. You can see there the Luna Classic price jumped 65% in the week, and ultimately USTC price rallied over 350%. And we'll take a look at that in the charts once again in just a minute. In terms of governance, what's going on, I thought it was worthwhile just touching on this because it's felt quite quiet over the governance, but pay per job and governance rule job list looks like this one might actually pass. So in the past, Terra Classic's L1 teams have operated under a monthly compensation structure based on a predetermined rate. However, this model of roadmap and payment planning has proven subpenal as the L1 task force team transitioned into a maintenance mode for Q4, which involves primarily overseeing external pull requests and fundamental chain upkeep. There remains a collection of tasks awaiting attention on the Terra Classic issue, ultimately applying bounties to tasks being completed. I actually think it's a pretty good idea. It means we're not forking out huge amounts with therefore little expectation of return. And that was the problem we had with the L1 team. The Quant team is that we were outpaid a significant amount with not really much coming back. And then equally, the decrease the validators down to 100 from 135 might not be the worst thing as well, ultimately bringing a lot of things together. Does it take a little bit of away from decentralization? Yes, that's the reality of it. But again, looks like this one potentially passes. Does end on the 5th of December, so that's in a couple of days' time. We'll keep you up to date with what's going on with that. But like I said, the big news is the burn and equally the excitement out of Terra Luna Classic. So we're on the 1 hour chart. Just look at some of this big spike of trading volume coming in. And when you go out into a more, into a kind of bigger time frame, you can kind of see right now we're in this consolidation phase that we've done a number of times, but even bigger than that, all the metrics are looking good. Look at this volume spike as well coming in for Terra Luna Classic. So we kind of are in local price discovery right now as the market continues to push. You look at the rest of it, Bitcoin sitting flat, 2.17% already up on Terra Luna Classic. Likewise, USTC moving as well. So we could see a big weekend for Terra Luna Classic. And I would summarize it by saying it does show how much money is sat prepared to come into this space and ultimately awaiting to get back into Terra Luna Classic. We've seen a massive inflow in just the last 3 or 4 days. And for me, tells me everything I need to know and why I've continued to create videos and talk about Luna Classic. Just to give you an indication of what that looks like, there was the burn narrative. 4 billion and 80 million was the total amount of Luna Classic burn yesterday, which is a significant step up. And likewise, we see this continuation around the staking, just oscillating between that 15% and just a little bit under, and our community pool continuing to build. So everything, in my opinion, right now is actually looking up for Luna Classic. We have volume returning, we have initiated and renewed excitement, we have Binance support, which a lot of people were confused on whether we would get it, and equally, there's some good proposals coming through with governance. So get ready for the fanboys to come back out and start talking about Terra Luna Classic, because I promise you, they are coming. But if you're an OG, you've been stuck around with this channel for a while, do me a favor, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, join the family. We'd appreciate you being here, and let's see what Luna Classic does over the next few weeks. It could be an interesting weekend. We could even be in the 15s coming out of it. Let me know in the comments what you think. As always, thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.